What's up YouTube? Okay, my name is Victor and this is my first YouTube videos, and on this channel I'm going to be sharing a whole lot of valuable content to you if you are a new subscriber on this channel. All right, I'm a trader and also going to be sharing with you beginner step and what others are doing to get to the top and what I've been doing that have helped me in the past and how it can also help you too. So make sure to be interactive on this channel. Always ask me questions in the comment section of the kind of video you want me to always make, because of course I'm just starting out on YouTube, and with your help we can all grow as a community, as families on this channel. So do well to always ask a question. New videos will always be dropping every two days, and I can only be able to do that with your help asking me of the kind of video I'm going to be making. All right, in this forex trading, nobody is perfect. We are going to be learning from each other, and you are going to be learning a whole lot from me because I'm going to be sharing 100% of my experience with you. All right, so do well to subscribe to this channel, share the link to your friends and family that are willing to learn forex trading, and you are going to grow bigger on this channel. My name is Vetes.